Today's manufacturing sector faces rising challenges and global competition, pushing the need to move beyond rigid, traditional methods toward smarter, more flexible systems that boost efficiency and create safer and better working environments. Operators often carry out repetitive tasks within fixed routines, leading to fatigue and lower overall efficiency. What if we could enhance human capabilities while boosting industrial flexibility and efficiency? HARTU, an EU-funded project, tackles manufacturing line handling challenges with AI-driven solutions and human-centered technologies that enhance human-machine collaboration. By incorporating advanced AI perception into robotic systems, HARTU uses sensor data to recognize objects, both rigid and flexible, and determine the optimal grasping points. With programming by demonstration, operators can intuitively show the robot how to perform a task. HARTU captures these physical demonstrations and translates them into structured actions, ensuring smoother collaboration between humans and machines. The HARTU App Manager is a no-code visual programming tool that lets operators design, simulate, and run robotic tasks using behavior trees executed and monitored in real time. These innovations go beyond technology. They are redefining the way people work. By taking over repetitive, labor-intensive tasks, HARTU allows operators to focus on strategic and managerial activities, while still overseeing operations in case of failures or unexpected issues. As a result, workers' roles are expected to evolve into more integrated roles. The Smart Line Operator works alongside robots, supervising operations and performing basic troubleshooting. As robots handle the most manual and repetitive tasks, the Smart Line Operator requires technical, analytical, and collaborative abilities. The Plant Flow Keeper oversees production flows, coordinating people and robots to ensure smooth, safe, and efficient operations. The role requires strong management, technical, and analytical skills to plan effectively and solve mid-level issues. The Tech Solver acts as the reference for robot programming and systems configuration to optimize production, maintenance, and technical problem-solving. This role has strong coding skills and sharp analytical abilities. People and technology advancing together for a safer and more efficient industry. The future of manufacturing is here with HARTU,